Hi guys, this is Gokul from Orange Viper. Today I'm going to show how to use Orange Viper mobile mount in your bike and bicycles, and I'll show how to clamp your mobile phone in Orange Viper products. Okay, let's start this video, friends. Let's beginning this video with the construction of this mobile phone holder. This is a aluminum mobile phone holder completely made up of aluminum and mild steel parts, and this part is aluminum, this part is also aluminum, but this part is mild steel. For phone safety we have provided rubber grip for this 4 jaws, and base we have provided a thickness of rubber, and at the bottom on the clamping part we have used aluminum bolt for clamping. This aluminum bolt are some kind of special bolt. This is made up of stainless steel chrome plated this is chrome plated Allen bolt. We will give this kind of Allen key with this product, and this product include a mobile phone holder, a Allen key, and a rubber grip. This Allen bolt can be loosened or tightened only using this kind of Allen key. Without this Allen key we cannot remove this product, because it will fit, this Allen bolt will fit inside the clamp, so no one can steal your product by using screwdrivers or cutting pliers or some kind of other tools. The only option to remove this mobile phone holder from your bike is only using this Allen key. This will add extra features in your product. So let's find how to use mobile phone holders. This is the rotating part. If we loosen this rotating part, this jaw grip will be enlarged. As you can see that this jaw grip will be enlarged, and then we can fit our phone in this like this. We need to make sure we should not close this jaw on the buttons of your mobile phone, such as volume button and power button. If we do that, phone will be switched off or volume will be turned low or high. It will affect your riding and it will affect your phone calls also. So I'm using this body for clamping, and after that use your fingers. As you can see that a small arc provided in this, and in this side there is also another small arc. I'm holding my thumb finger right over here, and another remaining two middle fingers and point out finger on the in this side, and I'm compressing this like compressing this like this, and then tightening this disc. If we tighten this disc, mobile phone holder will clamp your mobile phone tightly, so mobile will not fall off while riding. I'm tighten this mobile disc. As you can see that this didn't fall. This is very rigid and it won't fall. As you can see that rubber grip provided safety for your mobile phone, and it will don't scratch your mobile phone. And this disc rotating as a mobile phone grip, and also it will function as rotating part. As you can see that now I will loosen this. Now I can change the position, rotating position. If I want to clamp this mobile phone holder in vertical position, I can clamp like this, or I want to clamp this mobile on horizontal position, I can rotate my position, and then I need to clamp this. According to our position we can change this, and then we can clamp. This is the features, and what we can do and what we can do not do in this mobile phone holder is we can clamp our mobile phone holder while riding, and we should not talk using our mobile phone while riding, because it is a serious issue while riding. If there might be, not every day will be good for us, so we should not do like that. And while you are riding, if you want to change your phone position, do not turn simply like that. If you do that, sometimes this rotating disc will loosen and your phone will be fall while riding. So if you want to change your phone position, you need to loosen this disc and then change the position and then tight once again. It will protect your phone from falling while you are riding. And there is a huge hole in this. This is a two part. If we loosen this Allen bolt, the bottom part will come separately. As you can see that it already separated. This two part is the clamping part. This is the bottom clamp and this is the fixture clamp. You will fix this on your bike handlebar. It will fit only on the handlebar pipe, not in all handlebar. You cannot fit this part on all your handlebars. So make sure if you are going to buy this orange part, your handlebar is around handlebar. And while installing, if you are going to fix this mobile phone holder on your handlebar, you need this rubber grip for extra grip and vibration resistant. For that, you need to sellotape this rubber part on the place where you are going to mount this mobile phone holder, and sellotape this part. And then you need to keep this mobile phone holder on the top of the rubber, and the bottom clamps should be tightened using this Allen bolt. Make sure you tighten correctly, and while installation, adjust your riding angle and your phone view, because your installation, if your installation is correct, phone will never fall off while riding. Thank you guys for watching this video.